Hi guys, now sit back and watch me show you how to make this beautiful salad. I call it a kebab style salad because when we order a kebab takeaway, this is what we get with it. First we'll make the dressing. We'll need about 2 tablespoons full of olive oil, vegetable oil, any sort of oil, not engine oil. And we need some black pepper, about 1 teaspoon, about 1 teaspoonful of sea salt. Now we're going to need some lemon juice, and I prefer a nice fresh lemon like this one. Oh, so beautiful. Now we can squeeze this in using my nifty little lemon squeezing gadget. In that goes. Give this a mix, and then we can put this to one side to infuse. The longer the better. While it's infusing, we'll get on with the rest. 1 white cabbage, shredded, and some red cabbage, shredded. Then we can go in with some onion, or slice that in, on your fingers, and a nice fresh carrot, and I mean a really fresh carrot. In that goes. Then we can go on with the dressing. But we'll sprinkle this all the way around. But the important part is, and it is important, is to get this a good mix. We want everything to be coated in that lovely, beautiful dressing, which is going to be the star of the show, honestly. Now to plate up, we're going to go around the outside with some little gem lettuce leaves. These have already been pre-washed and patted dry with a kitchen towel. There, make it all look nice and neat, and then we can go in the middle with our salad mixture. It's so colourful, isn't it? Then on top of that we can go around with a nice neat little ring of cucumber. There we go. Put them all in position. And then followed by a tomato. We've cut these into little wedges. We'll pop them around the outside. And there we have it. A beautiful salad masterpiece. There, look at that guys. Beautiful. Just need the kebabs to go with it now. Oh, let's have a little taste, shall we? I do like that red cabbage. Might be my favourite part. I like it all. Just a few shots to show you how good it is. So how colourful as well. Be proud to put that on the table if you've got guests around, or even if you haven't got guests around.